Khubor sanchar ke district Riboy ha ka arpulai terik kulalengkot kila shimenta ban Rakhe ke National Voters Day ya kabala pelong ha Circuit House DC Office Nongpoh kabala ju Rakhe man usnem ha ka arpusan terik kulalengkot. Henry mentau snem la Rakhe no ha ka arpulai terik kulalengkot namar ka arpusan terik kulalengkot kangat ha ka sengiu belai. Ha kini kejing Rakhe lawan ban shimenta da ka kong birani ADC kum ka kong san ha kejing donlang uba Eric dekar BDO ko umling sin di blok lambat kibai ki officer ki batrai ha kini ke district. Ha kini ke sengi la belong ru ya kejing kop keren lengkot bat la sam ru de ki busket shekinong job bat ha kejuk ke por la pen kamti ru ya ki electors photo identity card epic ha ki Samla ki belaken jo Jakarta khat pras nem shaneng ban tap vote ha ka sin banikong. Shwaban penkut ya ki program ha ni ke sengi la pelong ru ya kejing ya pat ba ha kejing lam jong ki Samla Mera Yuva Bharat Riboy na Circuit House DC Office sha Indo Stadium umling kedat Nongpoh. Habakran na kini ke lempung Rakhe sengi ki nong tap vote ka kong birani ke lapen pau baka arpusan terik ke lalengkot laju Rakhe ke National Voters Day ka bedai ke sengi bela seng ya ke Election Commission of India ECI ha ka ri ha ka arpusan terik ke lalengkot kat kendai spa san pau. Kathong ba khamat jong kini kejing Rakhe kalong ban penchlori ki pat ba ban shimenta da ka jingkit kli ya ka hok ban jit ki nong yalam pat ba pat ban penchlori ki Samla ki bela kenjo ya kerta khat pras nem shaneng ban don lagi jong ki electro photo identity card dan ki epic ban yo alat ban jit mons ngobha yala ki nong mi khamat ha ki ying darbar thau an Khuborjylla bat ha kari India.
Today being a Sunday, we have gotten the permission and approval to organize this program today on the 23rd of January. For all the BLOs, I think this is not a new day, this is not a new program. They've all been familiar with this one, but to the new gathering, to the new first-time voters, I would like to welcome you to this arena where you are now a full-time participant of democracy. As we know, we have a country which is also known as the biggest democracy in the world. We have a population of more than 1 billion people, and we have a population of people under 35 years of age. We have about 65% of people in India who are below 35 years of age. So the new voters today, you have become a full-fledged citizen today, because when we talk about vote, when we talk about the right of the people to vote, we also have to remind ourselves that voting is not just a right, it is also a responsibility. So the Election Commission of India has established or has endeavored to bring an awareness to all the citizens who are eligible to vote the importance of the National Voters Day. In its vision and in its endeavor to garner more participation from our young people. The National Voters Day, I would like to tell you, was first established in 2011, where we had celebrated the participation or the coming of the first-time voters. So today we can see quite a number, and I would like to congratulate all the BLO who has been able to mobilize the first-time voters to come and collect your epic today. As I was sitting here, I was listening to the song, which is so patriotic, and thank you once again to the Rakhe group. They've always been ready to entertain us, to add color and poems and ceremony to a small program over here with their talent. Thank you once again. And I believe that most of you who have come today, the first-time voters, have also participated in the on-the-spot extempore speech competition in the country today, because you have the courage, you have the chance, you have the power to change the condition of your living, the change condition of your country by exercising your vote, which I have told you from the beginning, it's not just a right. Voting is also a responsibility. So I would not like to take so much time, but I'd just like to remind once again to everyone present here, from our officers, the election team, our BLO, to work tirelessly to encourage people to come forward to participate, to enroll. So as you have, you'll be getting your epic shortly. I would like you also to mobilize, to inspire your peers, your contemporaries, your friends who have not enrolled themselves in electoral roll, those who have reached the eligible age of 18 years of age or citizen of India. They are all, entitled to come for enrollment and be enrolled in the electoral process.
Thank you.
And to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement.
Hey, I